It's Beef Week here in Rockhampton, the beef capital of Australia, and CQUniversity is a proud major sponsor of Beef Week 2021. Why? Well, it's because we're such a large player in the industry. In agriculture more broadly, of course, we do cutting-edge research and bring all the courses, from short courses all the way through to PhD and postdoctoral research that supports the industry.
We're connecting beef producers with automated livestock technologies here at Belmont Station.
We're innovating in on-animal sensors to take livestock production to a whole new level.
We've had secondary and primary school kids through here this week, all learning about where their food comes from and also about the new technology that is improving production and efficiency in the ag industry.